skin and awesome hair, this is the posture for you because it gives you the multiple benefits of an inversion while not actually practicing the actual inversion. Also strengthening your entire body, stretching the hamstrings, opening the shoulders and elongating your bladder canal, which in turn fortifies and increases your disease fighting mechanism. So many benefits in one posture. Let's get started with Adhomukhasvanasana or the downward facing dog.